You are painting?
Yeah. We have to press this button first. Put this, press, and put this. We want to do flower.
You are drawing flower?
Yeah.
Okay.
Starting. I am a sister. Put green, okay?
Okay. You are erasing that purple color leaf?
Yeah.
You want to draw green color leaf? Where is eraser?
That pink color is it, no? That is it.
That is eraser?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's eraser.
Wow, so nice.
I'm a sister.
Hmm.
You know how we do sisters? Sister is doing painting. Let's put the paint. Color from is it? That will not. Yeah, this one.
You are choosing color there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Green.
Green you selected.
No, this is white. What? That is green. I did.
You finished?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Look at that painting.